Welcome to a journey through Zen House, a stunning residence designed by Garrido Lizarraga Arquitectos for a yoga teacher and her family. This architectural masterpiece reflects a harmonious blend of living and working spaces, integrating a serene yoga studio with a family home. The owners placed one condition above all: the trees on the property had to remain untouched. The first thing you'll notice upon approaching Zen House is its striking double-height portico, marking the entrance to the main living area. This grand architectural feature immediately draws the eye upward, creating a sense of openness and calm. A smaller, more intimate portico leads to the yoga studio, signaling a shift in atmosphere as one moves from the home's communal spaces to the peaceful area dedicated to mindfulness and relaxation. Entering through the main portico, the home opens up to a covered terrace, inviting you to either explore the interior or linger outside to soak in the tranquil surroundings. Inside, the house's design centers around a dramatic double-height space, connecting the dining room and kitchen on the ground level. A curved bridge interrupts this vertical void, adding an element of fluidity and motion to the architecture. Upstairs, the same space serves as a connective hub, linking the family room with the bedrooms. This is where the house truly comes to life, fostering interaction among family members and offering ever-changing perspectives through the play of light, shadows, and spatial voids. The materials used in Zen House reflect its minimalist and nature-focused ethos. Exposed concrete walls and ceilings, paired with polished white cement floors and black-framed windows, create a neutral palette that allows the surrounding landscape to take center stage. Tall, expansive concrete walls act as a canvas for the silhouettes of the preserved trees, with nature leaving its imprint on the structure itself. This choice of materials not only emphasizes the house's simplicity, but also contributes to its integration with the environment. One of the most remarkable achievements of Zen House is the preservation of 45 endemic trees, ensuring that the site remains a sanctuary for local wildlife. This thoughtful design choice has reduced the ambient temperature around the house, fostering a cooler, more comfortable environment. The presence of birds, such as parrots, hummingbirds, and nightingales, continues to enrich the landscape, demonstrating how architecture can coexist with nature. Zen House is a true testament to sober, minimalist design that enhances rather than dominates its surroundings, creating a peaceful retreat that feels in perfect balance with its environment.